Hello, I'm the free merchandise lady. Woohoo! It's been a long time, but I got a good one. How to clear credit card debt. What? We know the news. Interest rates through the roof, inflation, everything, food, gas. But guess what? I'm here to help you. Yes. Look, who want to struggle with credit card debt and paying for something that either you gonna throw away or you ain't gonna remember in the last 5 or 10 years of why you had it? Who wanna go through that? If you stay with the free merchandise lady, you will help yourself with your debt. Yes. Let me introduce myself. For those who don't know me, I'm the free merchandise lady. I'm here to help you save money, make money, and get things for free. Yes, I am. Keep watching this video and I will show you how. You ever notice they make it hard for us to pay down our debt? They really make it hard. If you don't pay that within 30 days, it's just like, bam. It seems like it get harder and harder to pay it off. And it's like the system is set up that way, so it make it so hard for us. You know, if you're struggling with debt and you want to get out of it, and you feel that it's places out here that it's some that's not charging fees, but you don't want no fee charge. You already in debt. So you say, I don't want no fees to be a part of this. I just want to get out of debt. I can understand that. So what I did is I said, now, what do I need to do? What do I need to do? And I came with a method. Now, I know you looking at this video and saying, how can you help me? And how me watching this video will help you. Well, how will help you? If you use the method that I use, you will see the results. Now, the results will not be the same, but you will see the results from those interest rates. You want to cut them in half. You want to cut them as much as possible. Now, how much you want to cut them, it's up to you. But the thing is, you want a strategy that don't cost you any fees. Because guess what? You already in debt. You're already in debt. And you still with the credit card debt. Then you still have your regular bills that you have to pay. You got to have your utility bill. You might have a car note. You might have to take care of the other things that, essential things that you need. Then you have the credit card debt. So you want to eliminate that as fast as possible. The faster you do it, the better off you be. Less interest, more money in your pocket, and less in the banks. They might not like it, but you're going to love it in your bank account. You're going to love the feeling of that. I know when I used this method to pay off my debt, I was like, oh my God, I should have used this a long time ago. But I'm glad I came up with it. And I want to share it with you. I want you to understand that the free merchandise lady is about you saving money, making money, and getting for free. And you could check out my other videos that I have on strategies on doing that. Now, I'm about to tell you how to do it. Stay tuned, and I will tell you next, coming up. Now, you are now getting ready to see what the free merchandise lady, why she uses this method. It's great. Look, the first thing you do is sign up for PayPal. Yes, PayPal is free to join, and the link will be below. How you use PayPal is, it's a service that protects your information. Yes, it protects your information. It's simple to join. Like I said, it don't cost anything. So what you do is, the thing that you do, you sign up. First of all, you could sign up. You could ask for a PayPal debit card if you don't feel like you're not sure if you want to give your information. It's free. You could transfer money to your bank account, and you could also add a debit card from any bank, and it, with a small fee, it could instantly put the money onto your card. And I know you say, well, what? What money? Well, the money I'm telling you that you're going to make. The money that's going to actually help you cut that interest off those cards. I'm not saying that, it's a miracle, but every time that you put something towards that interest, the better off you be. So, coming up next, I'll show you how. This is the first step. Make sure you sign up for PayPal. Now, the free merchandise lady gonna tell you the next step that I use. I use PayViewPoint. Yes, I've been doing this for years. Look, all you have to do is short surveys. They're invitation only, or you have to check on the website when you join. The link will be below. And the money really adds up. And you could also, you can invite friends and get up to $25 for each friend that you invite. Think about it. Think about it. Slash those credit cards. Slash that interest. Yes. I'd rather do that than pay interest for 5 or 10 years. Think about it. What I do these surveys. And look, they're short. I'm starting over. You see that? They send me an invite. I'm starting over because I already asked for a payment. And guess what? Put it on the credit. Like I said, I signed up for the PayPal. So, like on my case, I put it on my debit card. I have a debit card. So when I add up to my whatever I earn, $5, $10, $15, $20, and I put it on my, let's say I want to make an instant payment. Let's say a bill I want to pay instantly. I could pay it instantly, and they would charge a fee, a little fee, make in cents, 20 cents, 30 cents, whatever. But that is nothing. They saying instantly on your card. Who want instant money? Who can get instant money and then it's not, nothing behind it? Instant money. So they charge you a little fee to get the instant money on your debit card. That is nothing. That is nothing compared to the interest that they charge you. They actually charge you interest every day. That is nothing. So I sign up for PayViewPoint and I do the surveys. And like I said, they simple surveys. You love to do it. This is what I really do. I take maybe an hour of my time or 2 hours, depending on what's going on, and just do surveys. And if they don't have any, I do what's available. And sometimes I do it for 5 or 10 minutes. But the thing is, it adds up like a bank account, like a piggy bank or like a bank account. And then you can put it on that bill. The more you put on that against that interest, the more you are better off. I promise you. So this is one of the sites that I use. Remember, PayViewPoint. Sign up. The link is below. I promise you. Let me show you some of the money that I made off there. I want you to see that. Look at that. Look at that. That might be little money to you. I'm not telling you how you can make $300 or $400 a week. I'm not telling you that. I'm telling you how you could honestly put small amount of money against that interest, those credit card interests. It makes a difference. It makes a difference. That's why I'm on here, to help you. I'm hoping this help you. I really do. Because I know it will. Anything that you put against interest, it's going to make a difference. And look, this is one of the sites I use. Free to join. Link is below. Another great site I use, Zap Surveys. Wow, it's a great app. Like I said, the link will be below. You can use this, put it on your phone. You could use it on your computer. I do both, phone, computer. I could sometimes, if I'm waiting at the doctor's office, I do it, do some surveys, do whatever. Some of them a little bit longer than others, but the thing is we focus it on to get those credit cards slashed. Any amounts of money helps. And look at that. They have a choice of Amazon, the Visa. But for me, I focus on the Visa card. Like I said, if you're not really sure if you want to use your account, sometimes I don't want to give out that information. I will use this card, which is a prepaid. So whatever you earn, you could put, like, see how my earnings started over. You could put that, on that Visa card, and voila, and pay your bills that way. The money could really add up here because they give extra bonuses for, doing different tasks. I love this. Like I said, it's a great site that you would truly love because it gives you bonuses for what you're doing. So you're just not doing it. But the thing is, look, the more you focus on this, the more you earn and the more you can slice those credit cards. The money adds up. A little bit of your time, but guess what? Start building up every time you do it. I say this. People say it's no solution to the credit cards or whatever. Yes, it is. You can make a solution. You can make it. And that's what I decided to do. I could solve this. This might be little money, but little money is better than no money and paying those credit card interest for 5 or 10 years. I promise you. This is a great site. The more you do it, the more you will see in the bonuses of what you would get and everything. And like I said, I use the Visa card, and like I said, to play, whatever bills that, the credit card bills that, whatever I have on there, whatever balance, and take care of that. It don't matter. It's doing surveys. So what? The thing is, hey, you got that interest taken care of. You got more money in your pocket because guess what? This help you take care of that interest, That's what's important. The link will be below. Zap, 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 zap surveys. Link below. Now I'm about to show you the next one. All right. Now, this is gg2u.org. Look, you could play games, that you do surveys, and you watch videos. They have some of the, like YouTube have great videos. They have some wonderful, entertaining videos. And you get paid to watch it. Now, you can't beat that. And do the surveys. The surveys really pay pretty good here. And look at the game offer. Let me show you this. I'm going to click on it. Look at this. Now, look what it says. The thing is, what I want you to see on there, let's see. I want you to see that in order for you to get the points, oh, this is what I want you to see. Just like, give you an example. Let's say you're playing bingo. Free to play classic bingo game. That's what you need to focus on. It's free. Look at this one. I want you to see this one. Look at that. Caesar slot, free to play. The point is, it's free. And if you get those points when you play a certain level, look at that. What they give you? 3,000 coins. And it adds up the money. It adds up. Those coins turn to money. Uh-oh, I jumped this by mistake. Oh, I jumped this. There you go. Look at this other one. Let's look at it. Look at another one. Lounge 777. What we focus on? Free to play. That's what we focusing on. And you get to a certain level, you get paid. Those coins turn into dollars. And like I said, they have some surveys. They have that too. But, you know, the thing is that you're gonna focus, you focusing on slashing those credit cards. And you do these, some of them short, but you know what? But it pays pretty decent on here. Look at that. GG2U.org. Yes, the link will be below. Get started. What we say? You could do this. You could do this while you watching TV, in between watching TV. Look, play games. You saw for those games are free to join, ain't cost any money. And then what? Surveys and videos. Not like that. Look, you gonna love it. Get paid to do what? Most of these things you do anyway. Then the money adds up where you could what? Help with that interest off those credit cards. That's all you want to focus on. That's what I focus on. Now, Free Merchandise Lady wants you to first sign up for PayPal. Second, join PayView Point. Then join Zap. And then join GG2U.org. Slash those credit card interests. Don't pay 5 or 10 years for that. Anything that you're going to either throw away or you forgot you had or whatever. Slash those credit card interests. I know you could do it. If I could do it, you could do it. We could do this together. We could do this. I know we can. Thank you.